Today I'll be doing something different today. Today we have some leftover spaghetti. Everybody loves leftover spaghetti. So we're gonna be doing something different with the spaghetti today. It's gonna be a very short video and everything. Today I'm gonna make a spaghetti burrito. That you can have it for lunch, or you can have it for dinner, or when you're walking. You can have this nice good one right here. I'm gonna heat up my shell, and this right here is gonna be a nice good spaghetti burrito. So we're gonna get started right now on this as I do the shell. As you see, I'm gonna heat up the shell nice and good. Put a little cheese in it. Put a little spaghetti in it.